Hi students, today we are going to understand a chemical equation based problems. In that one question, they told to calculate the volume, mass and number of molecules on a balanced equation. In that chemical reaction, sodium is reacting with the excess of water and gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We are going to calculate the mass of hydrogen, volume of hydrogen and its molecular number of molecules of that hydrogen gas. For that we need a balanced chemical equation. What are the data they had already given in that question is 230 grams of sodium reacting with the excess of water, that is quantity of water is excess, high quantity, and in STP condition the atomic masses of sodium is 23 unified mass and the oxygen 16 unified mass and the hydrogen 1 unified mass. These are the atomic masses of that molecules. Next, the balanced equation they had given 2 Na in solid plus 2 water molecule, it is in liquid state, gives 2 sodium hydroxide, it is aqueous state, that is dissolved in water. Next, hydrogen gas is liberated. Now we are going to calculate its values in gram molar values. What are the gram molar values? Every molecule has its own molecular mass that should be multiplied with its coefficient. So here sodium's unified mass is 23, it is multiplied with 2, then we are getting 46 unified mass, it is converted to grams. So this like we are calculating for other datas, other molecules, and we are getting 46 grams of sodium plus 36 grams of water reacted and it gives 80 grams of sodium hydroxide and 2 grams of hydrogen gas. From that they told to calculate the mass of the hydrogen involved in this reaction for 230 grams of sodium. So when we are calculating the mass, 46 grams of sodium gives 2 grams of hydrogen, then 230 grams of sodium gives 230 into 2 grams divided by 46 grams, it comes by cross multiplication, and this value is derivated as 460 divided by 46, after cancelling it gives 10 grams of hydrogen. So 230 grams of sodium reacted and released 10 grams of hydrogen gas. Next its volume is calculated. For this volume we need one data at the STP, that is standard temperature pressure. What is that values? Temperature is 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin and pressure is 760 mm of mercury, that is the values for standard temperature pressure STP. So at STP 1 gram molar mass of any gas will occupy only 22.4 liters. With that calculation we are having 2 grams of hydrogen occupies 22.4 liters. So 10 grams of hydrogen we got from this mass value. So 10 grams of hydrogen is in our sum. So 10 grams into 22.4 divided by 2 is equal to 112 liters. This is the value of that hydrogen gas for 10 grams. Next value we are going to understand the number of molecules present in that hydrogen. So they told according to Avogadro values, its value any molar gram will occupy 6.023 in 10 power 23 number of molecules. So this is the Avogadro value. Using that 10 grams of hydrogen contains 10 into 6.02 in 10 power 23 10 raised 23 whole divided by 2. After crossing we are getting 5 into 6.02 in 10 power 23 is equal to 30.1 in 10 power 23. This is equal to 3.01 in 10 power 24 molecules of hydrogen.